because this week is race week. We have the Blue Ribbon VLN5 event coming up this weekend, the 6 hours of the Nürburgring, which I'm really excited about. It's been 5 weeks since VLN4, which has seemed like absolute forever, so I'm absolutely itching to get back to the Nürburgring and itching to drive the Walkenhorst total M6 GT3 car again. It is going to be mega. You join me here in my office at the moment. I've just been on my laptop, there we go, doing some emails and stuff. Thought I'd do something a little bit different for this vlog, is sort of walk you through race week, all the prep that goes into it, the prep that I've been doing for the past 5 weeks as well. It doesn't stop just because it's race week. So yeah, we'll get on the sim a little bit later on, and also hit the gym as well before we get to the ring as well. So yeah, tag along for the week and enjoy. So that is equipment prep done. Purely, obviously, another key part of preparation for racing is simulators. So you've got your big sim companies like iZone, base performance simulators, for example, which you can go there for proper training. I've done that a few times now, and I think I'm fairly capable with what I need to do from the sim. So yeah, here's my sim rig from Radical Simulations that I actually won at the Autosport show. Mega little piece of kit, Fanatec wheel and pedals as well. Just linked up to iRacing on a big telly. So yeah, this is what I will be using to practice the Nürburgring with. It's what I've been using for years and years now to learn all 160 turns and actually work out where I'm going. So yeah, let's hit it and go for a quick practice session. That finished off a decent practice session, 7:45.3. That, by my guessing and leaderboards, makes me 6th in the world fastest around the VLN Nürburgring layout on iRacing in a Mercedes AMG. So I will take that. That is good prep, and that is a good way to approach going to VLN5 this weekend. So I think I'm in tip-top form. Can't wait to get going. So, some more very exciting news for this week. I've just got off the phone to the team, and they've mentioned that I have been promoted effectively to the Pro car, so the number 35 car. The Pro Class car obviously fields 4 Pro drivers rather than a combination of Pro and Am drivers, which means we're going to be in contention for the overall honours for the race. And it's in the famous PlayStation liveried car as well, the number 35 car. So that is awesome news. Big thanks to the team for entrusting me to race in the Pro lineup. So I just hope I can then pull my weight for the race to come. So that's even more reason to get even more excited for the weekend. So I cannot wait. Yeah. Only 2 more days to go. Oh, it's going to be the longest 2 days of the week forever. So obviously for motorsport, I've got to train hard. Not put on too much mass though, in terms of fat and muscles. So we're going to do a little bit of light workout, leaving for the ring in 2 days' time. So just a light workout now, a bit of a stretch out really before we hit the track. So yeah, join me for a quick workout. done before leaving for the race weekend, so now it's just ready to pack and then leave very early doors tomorrow. Cannot wait. From the Eurotunnel, it is 7:30. We've been on the road since just before 5 and we are making our way over to the ring now. So yeah, let's time lapse over to the ring and catch up then. And we have arrived at the ring, and what beautiful weather it is. 26 degrees, sunshine, blue sky, perfect. However, the weather looks a little bit tricky for especially tomorrow morning when we go testing, which I really hope is dry because I want to get my eye in for quali and the race, just consistent conditions needed. Anyway, so we're going to check in now and we're going to check back tomorrow. There's going to be too much more exciting stuff happening for the rest of the day. So yeah, we'll catch up tomorrow when we go testing. Ciao, ciao. Good morning from VLN5 pit walk. As you can see, it's beautiful sunny weather. It's due to be 25 degrees today. There's a huge crowd watching, and there's 175 cars entered for the race today. So that adds up to being a pretty epic day, I reckon. So you join me now on race day in between quali and the race. Big news is I'm not in the number 35 car anymore. I'm now in the number 36 car, the Pro-Am car. There was a technical issue with the 35 car, which basically put it out for the weekend. And I'm very lucky that Henry Walkenhorst, team boss, let me take his spot. So I got some driving rather than no driving this weekend. So to bring it up to speed, quali went very well for us. We ended up P5, which was really good. So that sets us up in a really good place. I'm driving with Rudy Adams, who I drove with last time, Andreas Ziegler, which I drove with last time, and Ralph Oberhausen, who races in the Blancpain series in the M6 in the AM category. So they're in safe hands and good hands for the day. Yeah, we'll try and bring you some onboard footage from quali. It was busy to say the least. Big moves being sent up the inside to make sure we kept the lap time. But anyways, yeah, tune into that. Let's check out the grid walk, and yeah, we'll catch up when the race starts. So we are in the Pro-Am category today. So we are in polling class. I believe we've got the Manthey Porsche behind us, Falcon Porsche next to us, Fricadelli car. Which one is this one? Is this the Pro car? No, this is the Pro-Am car next to us. So that's going to be key rival for us today. Oh, tell a lie, we might be P2 actually. There's a couple of the Pro-Am Ferraris on P4 by the looks of things. So we're well in the mix really. Rudy and I are both on a very similar pace together, and Ralph and Andreas are both on a similar pace, but roughly around 10 seconds a lap slower than us. So we should be fighting in the first hour with the top boys. Then Ralph is getting in where we might drop back. I'll be in for then the third stint, so hopefully we'll be in and around the front, and then Ralph and Andreas will be back in for the remaining rest of the race. So yeah. Car's looking good, car's feeling fast, much better than it was last time. It was a little bit of a pig to drive last time. So the Walkenhorst BMW is looking to go fast. So here we go, the 6 hours of the Nürburgring. Let's go. Chris stood at Flansgarn 1, sorry, just watching the final minutes of the race. Basically, teammate crashed, unfortunately, on his in-lap as he was about to hand over to me. So half a lap more and I would have driven the car, but unfortunately not was the case. So the car was too damaged to continue and was parked just up at Hoat for the remainder of the race. So I sat there in pit lane, fully kitted up, helmet on, everything good to go. And unfortunately the car never came round, so yeah. A weekend to forget. It's been a long time since I've had a terrible weekend like this, so I can be thankful for that, to say the least. But yeah, one weekend, 2 cars and 3 laps over the whole weekend is not a good weekend. So yeah, the good thing is only 2 weeks now till the next VLN, which means not a huge long break to wait for it. So yeah, we'll catch up for that. In the meantime, we've got the All Park Gold Cup, so we'll catch up with that in 7 days time. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and make sure you subscribe for plenty more content like this to come. Well, hopefully much more exciting content than this to come. Anyway, so yeah, ciao from the nerd.
Gerne mal eine Messe, ganz locker gehen.